Here are some simple ways on how to use the digital LabReport notebook. This LabReport notebook has 6 different sections: an abstract or introduction area, the pre-lab, procedures, data, analysis, and a place for a conclusion. For each section, there are different templates that you can use, which allows you to differentiate each lab that you're performing, choosing the ones that will best fit your lab report or your investigation. For example, for this lab report, I want to do it on chemical reactions. So I have gotten rid of all the blank ones, choose the ones that I felt were appropriate for this lab. I want my students to give a brief description of the investigation. I provide a question, have them come up with a hypothesis, materials, have them type up the procedures. In here, I want them to take pictures and add pictures of their observations they're doing. So they might be taking pictures and adding them here, which shows their actual lab that they were doing, and they can write a description about it. I want them to record their information in the data table, so I can just insert a table here. Or maybe they put their temperature for every 15 seconds. Now I would already have this filled out before I shared it with them. And the graph, you can have them do their graph in a spreadsheet and then insert it. And they can place it right here. Perhaps you have questions you want to give them. So here you write a question. And they can put their answers to it. Then here's a place where they can draw their conclusions. Perhaps you want to create the whole thing yourself. In that case, you can get rid of all the ones that were pre-done, and here's your blank pages, and you can put in exactly what you want to have for this, or have your students come up with their own. These are just some ways that you can use the versatility of this digital LabReport notebook.